And I'm back. Okay, now does your car have some kind of a smell in it you want to get rid of? Did you buy a used car maybe, for example, and someone smoked in it and you want to get rid of that smoke smell? Or it's musty, or that you've had your dog in there and it smells like dog and you want to get rid of that? And I got a product here that's going to help you with that. This one here is by Simonize, but there's other ones. And it's whole car air freshener, and I'll show you how that works. It's kind of a certain procedure to make it work. What you should do actually first is you should vacuum out the whole car and scrub it out the best you can, and get all the bits of paper and rags and anything that might be in the car that would hold odor, and get rid of all that, get rid of all the junk out of there, vacuum it out clean, like I say, wipe it out, and then air it out. So what you do is you get the car running with the air conditioner running on recirc, so that the air recirculates inside the car. And then you got all your windows closed, and then you take this and you put it inside the car and you activate it, and then you get out and shut the door quick and you let this discharge into the car, and you let the car run like that for about 15 minutes. So this odor eliminator will circulate through all the vents in the dash and everything, and permeate the seats and everything, and try and draw that odor out of the vehicle. And then what you do is you turn off the vehicle, open all the doors and windows and let it air out, and you should be good. So let's try that. See it in there? See it in there doing its thing? Okay, we're going to run it for 15 minutes, and then we're going to open the doors and let it air out. Okay, that's been 15 minutes. Let's go turn off the car, open those windows and let it air out, and let's see how we did. And there it is. It emptied the can in there. I looked in a couple of minutes in, and it was still discharging, quite vigorously inside the car.